Today we're going to make this cute do-it-yourself Christmas tree corner bookmark craft.
For today's craft, you're going to need some scissors. A ruler and a hole punch are helpful but not necessary. A pencil, some glue, and paper. I'm using green for my tree and a variety of different colors for my decoration. I also have brown for the base of my tree. So go ahead, grab your supplies, and let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is create the base of our bookmark, and to do that we need to create a square. So it doesn't really matter what size square. A bigger square will make a bigger bookmark. A smaller square will make a smaller bookmark. I am going to make mine 13 by 13. Now that is centimeters. So I am going to take my ruler and I'm going to measure 13 centimeters this way. Then I'm going to measure 13 centimeters this way, and I'm creating a square. So what you want is a green piece of paper that is a square. So the same on all the sides. So do that, cut that out, and then we'll move on. Once you have your square, you're going to put your square in front of you, and then I'm just going to turn it like that. And I'm going to take this tip and pull it right to the top, so I have created a triangle. Once I have my triangle, I'm going to take the bottom left side here and I'm going to pull it to the top nice and slowly so it matches up. Just take your time pushing down so that you get some good creases. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So the right side, I'm going to pull it up to the top. Once again, take your time. Once I have that done, I'm going to let that go, pull those back down, and I'm going to go to the top and pull just one. So you'll see there's two pieces here. I'm just going to pull one down to the bottom, fold that, pushing it down, and then I'm going to go back to this left side and I'm going to tuck it in. So I'm going to pull up, you'll see there's a little opening here, and then you're just gently going to tuck that in. Now you want to make sure that it's nice and tucked in and straight, so just take your time, using your fingers to push the paper down. And if I've gone too quickly, you can always pause the video and go back and watch it again. And there you go. Okay, now the last thing you're going to do is, I like to take this piece of paper here, turn it over, and just fold it back first. I find this a little bit easier. So you can see I've just folded it back. And then I'm going to tuck it in. So this extra piece that's out here, now I want to turn it and tuck it right in that little spot in here, that little cubby here. There we go. And there we have our tree. Now with our tree, we're going to decorate it. You could do both sides of your tree. Today I'm just going to do one, but you can absolutely do both. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to create my stem. So with my stem, I'm just going to make a rectangle, whatever size you would like for your stem. And then you just glue that right on your tree. Now when I'm gluing it on, I don't like to glue it on top. I like to glue it on the inside. Okay, now that I've cut out my rectangle, I have the base of my tree. Perfect. Now I'm going to decorate. Now I have all these colors. You can decorate with whatever you want. If you have stickers, you can cut anything out, you can draw on it. I happen to have a hole punch and that works really, really well. So I'm actually just going to put all my little colors together here, and I'm gonna hole punch. Hope these don't fly everywhere because sometimes they do. And I'm just going to punch a few holes, and that's how I'm going to decorate. But be creative. This is your craft. There is no right or wrong. This is a great little craft to make and give as a gift to someone, even if you want to give it all by itself, or if you're giving someone a book, or if you've made them a book, you can put this little bookmark on it so it's just perfect. And then you can choose to make a star on top if you would like. I think I'm going to. I have a hard time with stars, so I just try to make little triangles. So I just take my yellow piece of paper and I make a little triangle here without a bottom, and then I go to straight to the left, straight to the right. I make a diagonal line in, another diagonal line in, and then I go right to the top here and I put a little mark and underneath, and then I make a diagonal a diagonal, and I join everything. And like I said, you just do the best you can, and you're just going to go ahead and decorate your bookmark. Okay, I forgot a step. Sorry. We can do this step now, and if you make another one, then you can just do this step before you decorate next time, because you might end up cutting off some of your decorations, so I apologize. You're gonna take a pencil. Actually, you could just leave this exactly like it is. I think it's super cute, but if you would like to join me, I'm gonna use a pencil, and I'm going to go, and I'm gonna make two little cuts. About one here and one here. So it's like I want to leave a space, make a cut, leave a space, make a cut, and then there's going to be a space in the star. So I'm going to take my pencil, I'm going to jump up, I'm going to make a straight line in, and then I'm going to just make a diagonal line up, and I want to do the same thing on the other side. So same spot, I'm going to go across, straight line, and a diagonal line up. I'm going to jump up here and do the same thing, straight line in, diagonal line up, just a tiny little one, straight line in, diagonal line up, and I'm going to cut those out. But you could leave it. I actually quite like the bookmark the way it is, but if you would like to join me, and then you're going to cut those out. So just be careful when you're cutting them. Just go nice and slow, and that's going to give you your little decoration for the tree. I so apologize for forgetting this step. Your bookmark is ready to go. If you enjoyed this craft, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.